This is Kilo, and today I just got home from a day out with my family, and this package arrived in the mail from Panda Frog. So I wanted to make this video to thank him for this package, and as a quick backstory, the other day I was sitting at the computer with my 2-year-old daughter, and usually after a video uploads, we'll sit there and watch it together, and then she'll want to watch either more lockpicking videos or she will want to watch this little spider named Lucas. And she just adores this little, it's like a little jumping spider animated cartoon. And she likes to sit there and watch one after we watch a video, and then she usually runs along. And while we were watching Lucas, this little Panda Frog logo came up in the recommended, and she saw this logo right here, and that's all she could talk about. She just saw him, and she has a little funny way that she talks, and she was like, Panda Frog, Panda Frog, Panda Frog, and until I opened it, and then she saw that he was a lockpicker like me, and she was like, it's like you, it's like Daddy, it's a Panda Frog, and that's all she wanted to say, and she can't read yet, but she knew that this was a panda on a frog body, so she was actually saying it correctly. And then I told her, I was like, you know what this is? And she said it's a panda frog, and it was the funniest thing ever. And me and Panda Frog were talking, and he thought it was hilarious, and he thought it was really adorable. So he wanted to send her a gift for that. And that is what these three items are. So, just to show you guys exactly what I got here, he sent her this little diary lock, which is a panda. And that is the coolest thing ever. We opened this together out there in the living room, and she is begging for it back. That's her out there saying, Panda Frog, Panda Frog, Panda Frog. And that's like her new favorite 2 words right now. And this is just the coolest thing ever. And both of my daughters know how to use keys to open doors, and they know how to lock and unlock the front door with a key, as all they've ever seen me do is work on locks since they've been born. So maybe they'll have a little video of their own one day on my channel where you see tiny little hands come out here to try and pick their lock here. I think that would be pretty cool. So they're definitely going to want to play with this, as they play with every padlock that I have in the house. And on top of that, they sent this little pin here. And, she can clip this right on her little dress and proudly promote Panda Frog here. And that is really cool. And this also came in the package. This is a coin. And this is a heavy duty little coin here. And this thing has some weight to him. It says Panda Frog Lockpicking. And that is super high quality. Like, that is awesome. And if you flip it around, it says Lock Sport made in Switzerland, with the little cross Bogota and hook here. And this is just amazing, man. Like, this is awesome. Like, I can't thank you enough for doing this. She's out there just flipping out over this, and I just wanted to thank you from myself and from my daughter Willow. We just can't thank you enough. Like, this is like probably the coolest thing someone has sent her in a very long time. So thank you, man. Like, that is just, the look on her face to see this is just incredible. So you are probably now her favorite channel. She probably has me as second, and Panda Frog is now her number one. So Panda Frog, you have a number one fan in my daughter. So I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate you. Shout out to Panda Frog. If you guys have not checked out his channel and you guys are fans of Lock Sport, definitely I'll leave a link in my description to this video to a link where you can go check out his channel. Feel free to give him a subscribe, and he is a really awesome lockpicker and just a really awesome guy. Like, this is just awesome. He didn't even have to do this. So thank you for making my daughter's day. And thank you for making my day to see her have her day just, shot to the moon here. So just wanted to say thank you as many times as I possibly can on behalf of me and my daughter. And thank you to everyone tuning in and following the channel. I will be uploading some more videos soon. It's the weekend and I just wanted to spend some time with my family. But I am working on videos. I just haven't edited and put them all together yet. But I will be uploading more pretty soon. Those who have sent in questions and those of you who've been talking with me, thank you. Keep sending in, things that you'd like to see. And I'm working on getting a whole, bunch of stuff together. So thank you guys. Thank you to Panda Frog again, a million times over. And I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're having a good weekend. And I hope you guys have a nice day.